Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check the IMEI. The first one requires a secret code and the second is by using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's start with a secret code. We have to open the dialer as it is the place where you can enter it, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So again, the code is *#06#. So now let me show you the second way, and it is by using the settings. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. Thanks to the settings you will still be able to check the IMEI. So let's enter the settings as I said. Here we have to tap on About Phone, which is at the very top. And now we have to go to the All Specs here. Now let's scroll down and tap on the status. And as you can see right here in the device details, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So basically that's all. This is how to check the IMEI number in your Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.